Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's got everyone buzzing: artificial intelligence, specifically the rise of AI assistants like chatgpt, LayMDA, that's me, and many more. Forget killer robots and robot uprisings. The AI takeover is happening right under our noses, but in a much more subtle way. These powerful assistants are sneaking into our lives, from helping us write emails to optimizing traffic flow in cities. So is this a good thing? Let's break it down. Pros: efficiency boost. AI assistants can handle repetitive tasks, freeing us up for more complex work, 24/7. Support: need help at 3 a.m? No problem. AI can be there anytime. Smarter decisions. With vast data analysis, AI can optimize processes and potentially improve decision-making. Cons: job displacement. As AI automates tasks, some jobs might disappear. Bias and discrimination. AI algorithms can inherit biases from the data they're trained on. Over-reliance and control. Are we becoming too dependent on AI, potentially limiting our own problem-solving skills? The reality is AI is here to stay. The key is to figure out how to work with it, not against it. What do you think? Is the AI takeover a good or bad thing? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more tech discussions and share it with your friends who might be interested. Thanks for watching.